Hi, I'm Dan, and this is my whiteboard. Have you ever thought about imagination and how imagination requires dedication? Let's look at those words for a moment. Imagination is seeing in the present what was in the past or will be in the future. It's like building a house. It's not there, you imagine it, and then you build from there. Dedication is action, focusing on and moving towards something you are committed to, like remodeling a house. It's there, but it needs a whole new change. In Joshua chapter 5, there is a story, a strong story about dedication. All the men were circumcised because they were dedicated to what they had imagined, moving into the promised land. Questions? What's that? Oh, what is circumcision? Oh, now that's a strange part. Men and women are different. But God also wanted the men of Israel to be different from other men. So they had to do something to identify themselves. Like a tattoo, but something they would see every day. It had to do with their man part. It had to be a sign of ownership to God. So every man had his, let's say, banana changed. The end, skin, or peel was removed. So that every time a man went to the bathroom or washed or perhaps was taken into captivity, they would not forget who they were or who they belonged to. Yeah, it's strange, but important. We need symbols to help us remember who we are dedicated to help us take action to move forward. Imagination, it requires dedication, and dedication requires symbols, even strange symbols. Well, my name is Dan, and this is my whiteboard.